everyone, I am here in Spanish Point Park, Bermuda Island. This is the view here in Spanish Point Park here. It's low tide today. It's low tide, so I want to show you here Spanish Point Park, Bermuda Island. So look at the pigeons here. Lots of pigeons around here. See the pigeons? Nagmamahalan yung dalawa, oh. Yung dalawang pigeons. Oh. Nagkikissing sila, oh. Ang cute, oh. Hello, pigeons. Yeah. See the views here. Ay, my cake. Nahulog yung susi ko. Ayan guys, dito ako sa may Spanish Point Park. Kaya papasok ako dito sa park na ito. May magandang view dito eh. Kasi wala na akong pang content sa aking YouTube channel. So I try my best to upload a new videos here. It's quite windy today and cold. See a lot of trees here. Very windy. It's cold. See, that one is backyard there. Oh. Spanish Point Admiralty Park. No, Spanish Point Park here. Sorry, this is Spanish Point Park. Beautiful view. You can see the backyard over there. Backyard. See, look at that water. It's quite windy today.